so that you get less responses on your post. So one thing you can do is the project budget, like the total budget, just make that very high, like 1,000 or 1,500, instead of like if you do a job post for a script, like $10 per script, and then the whole price for the project is like $10. $1,000, but more for 10, 15 per project. I'm okay.
I lost you again.
Yeah, sorry guys, but what I was saying, can you hear me now?
Yes, I think I can hear you now. Yeah.
So if you make a new job post, you should put the project budget very high instead of on like $10 or $15 per project, because then more people will apply to it. That's basically what it comes down to. And then you can negotiate a better price with them in person.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. And then also go for entry level. And yeah, so when you do hire someone, and the contract every time after they finish a job, so you can give them a review and they can give you a review. And this way you will get more reviews and more job applications once you post new jobs too. Okay?
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you, Lisa. Let me know when your first video goes live, okay?
Yeah. Yes, I will send you a link.
Perfect. Thank you. Guys, we're nearing the end of this call. It's been pretty quick and I haven't gone through like my whole presentation. We didn't really do like a Q&A part or channel review part yet. Is there anyone with any questions left for now about their progress, their channel, anything? Like, does anyone have questions left for now? Is there anything anyone